Hi, I'm Bonnie.
And I'm Vincent.
And today we're visiting the RSPCA in Mackay. Now I like playing hockey, so my favourite toy to play with would be a hockey stick.
And I like soccer, and my favourite toy would be a soccer ball.
So what better way to celebrate International Dog Day than making some toys for our canine companions?
Justin for Happy Paws and Happy Hearts is here to help.
Hey team, here we are at the Happy Paws, Happy Hearts training room here at RSPCA in Mackay, and we're gonna make some awesome dog toys. Now this is one you can buy from a shop, but we're gonna make our own one. And what we're gonna do to make our own is we've got some material here that I've cut very carefully with a pair of scissors, and we're gonna turn that into our very own dog toy.
We need new scissors to cut up the shirts, so get our mums and dads to help.
That was some pretty good cutting, team. Let me see your pieces of material you've got. Woohoo! Yeah, nice work, well done.
Now our material is cut into strips, we can start plaiting.
And we're gonna spread right out. Excellent, good job. All right, Farah, can you go over the top of Bonnie? Bonnie, you go underneath, under there, excellent. And now you're gonna go over the top, and then Farah, you're gonna go, oh, pause, come back. You're going over the top, and Farah comes through here. Farah, you come under here. That's it, over the top, Casey. Beautiful work. We'll make that nice and tight.
This will take a long time if you try to make it yourself. Luckily, we got lots of friends here to help.
We've got our little toy all plaited.
All right, so we've come to our end here, so we need to, if you all let go, we put our knot in there, and then you can, all right, all grab a handful of that and pull. Oh, whoa, easy, thank you, lovely work. And then with our trusty pair of scissors, nice and safely, we're just gonna cut them off to be all the same length.
We tie off our material, and it's time to put our toys to the test.
Does anyone like puppies? Yeah, excellent. All right, so we're gonna get a lovely little puppy out to try and test these out.
With our little mate Myrtle.
Buddy, hey darling, good puppy. Good job. There we go. Yay, good job. And you give it a little pull, Oh, I see that stretchy material.
Thanks to Justin from Happy Paws, Happy Hearts for helping us celebrate International Dog Day. Oh, and before we go, a big shout out to our two puppies, Ted and Bella.
We love you.
See you later.